Today, we're diving into a super helpful topic: how to recover deleted files from a USB drive. Whether you've accidentally deleted important documents or lost files due to a system error, don't worry, we'll cover both methods using software and some manual techniques. So, let's get started. Before we jump into recovery, here are a few important tips. First up, stop using the USB drive immediately after you realize files are deleted. This helps prevent any new data from overwriting the deleted files. Get your USB ready. Let's move on. Now let's try recovering your files without any software. This method is simple but works best if the files were recently deleted. Connect a USB to your computer. Open File Explorer. Go to this PC and locate your USB drive. Right click on the USB drive and select Properties and go to the previous versions, and this will show any available backup. If you see a previous version, click on it and click on Restore, and this will recover your files if they were backed up. Now that you've recovered your files, here are some tips to avoid them losing them in future. Regularly back up important files to a separate location. Use cloud storage for easy access and extra safety. And that's it on how to recover deleted USB drive.